Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Girl in the City. What a lovely day. So I thought let's take you all to a walking tour of cherry blossom trees. Today even the Mount Rainier is clearly visible. See? We are crossing this beautiful building of Seattle downtown. Now we have reached the University of Washington. We are inside the University of Washington. The cherry blossoms are near the Red Square, just behind the library. See, there it is. Can you all see those beautiful cherry blossom trees? Cherry blossom viewing is a reminder to celebrate life. And the pink petal carried on the breeze at the first festival engendered that thought. People sat on the grass under the cherry blossom trees, enjoying their food with traditional music. Sakura or cherry blossom is the national flower of Japan. On 27th March 1912, cherry trees were planted in Washington, D.C. as a gift of friendship between the people of US and Japan. Cherry blossom is a symbolic flower of the spring. Their beauty peaks around 2 weeks and then the blossom start to fall. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do show your blessings and support by subscribing to my channel, and remember to press the bell icon to get notified. Subscribe to my channel, like, press the bell icon and share.